Welcome to this quick guide on creating configurable products in Magento 2. First, navigate to the catalog section in the admin panel and click Products. Then, click on Add Product and choose Configurable Product from the dropdown. Enter the product name, SKU, and other basic details like price and description. Next, scroll down to the configuration section, click Create Configurations. Here, you'll select the attributes that define the product variations, like color, size, or material, and click Next. Now, choose your options for each selected attribute, and click Next. Now, fill in individual details for each variation, like pricing and stock information, and click Next. Magento will display all the combinations for the selected attributes. Click Generate Products. All possible combinations of your product variations will be automatically generated. Once you're done, click Save, and your configurable product is ready to be added to your store. And that's it!